Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold futures rally as safe haven demand surges. Gold settles at record high. Gold futures climb as investors seek a safe haven in the aftermath of Israel's attack on Iran's nuclear sites and military leaders, and President Trump's warning of even more brutal attacks without a nuclear deal. So you must be knowing that Israel has attacked many sites on Iran, because of which we got to see these candles on the chart of gold. And because of the crisis right now, gold is bullish again. So if you have a buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position, because as long as the tension remains, you can expect bullishness on the chart of gold. You must be knowing that whenever there is a global crisis, gold is always bullish. So now also the situation is not very normal. As a result, you can hold your buy position if you have any. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then obviously it will be better for you to take a buy at a retracement and just hold it. And keep in touch with the news, because during the weekend, if any news comes out, then obviously we will see a direct reaction on Monday. So this is the daily chart of gold in front of us. This is a daily chart, and we can see that market has tested this level on Friday. If market breaks this level here, or in simple words, if the same situation remains, then obviously market will break this level. Then market will be heading towards the next resistance, which is around 3500. Do not expect a reversal from 3500, because when news or fundamental or any war situation dominates the market, maybe you will just see some temporary consolidation and eventually market will break the area. So already market has tested this particular high here. When market will break the high, then market will be heading towards 3500. And after some consolidation around 3500 area, you can expect market to head towards 3600, 3700. And sky is the limit here. And is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. So on the hourly chart of gold, we can see that market has formed a ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern, means we have a resistance at the top. Market is unable to break the level, but when market is coming down, market is also forming higher lows here. The formation of higher lows indicate that new buyers are joining. So at one point of time, we see market breaking the resistance and going up. So on gold, if market goes up on Monday, do not be surprised, because we can already see that market is getting ready here. So the market opening is going to be very important for us. If any news comes out, again I'm repeating, if any news comes out during the weekend, then obviously we will see a straight reaction, and you can directly buy. But if market drops, then things are going to be a little bit complicated, and this ascending triangle pattern will no longer be valid. So after the market opening, if you see that gold is dropping, gold is falling, then the best support will be around 3400, 3405. Earlier also we have discussed about the support area. Why 3400 is a good support? Because of the previous resistance working as support. So 340005 is the best support, and the another support on the chart of gold is around 3387, around 3387 to 3390. The black line that you can see here is another support on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy position. Why are we considering this? Let me show you. You can see here market has tested the FIBO 0.236 and worked perfectly. Around 3387 we have the next FIBO level, which is 0.382. So if market breaks 3400, if this level doesn't work, then 3387, 3390 will be the next support on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy position. So if you are looking for a good position, to buy at retracement, then 3400, 3387 are the best levels. But the problem is that current market price is far away from these levels. Okay, we cannot deny the chances of market coming down to these levels are very less, isn't it? As a result, okay, as a result, we can also focus on these minor levels. For example, on Monday after the market opening, you see the market is going down, the ascending triangle pattern did not work. Oh, obviously, market is full of surprises, isn't it? Okay, in that scenario, you can look for support around these areas, okay, these minor levels. Are they very strong support? No, they are not strong support. But if the volume is not very high, okay, then you can look for a bounce or trading opportunities around these like 3409, 3413, or 3420. But keep in mind that they are not major levels. If market starts going down with small candles, then you can expect a minor bounce of 40-50 pips around these areas. Otherwise, they are not very good. Why? Because you can see that okay, market hasn't come to these levels earlier also. Okay, so on the chart of gold, technically the best support level is around 340005 and 3387, but chances of market coming down to these levels are little less, so we are considering these level support as well. But yes, we can clearly see that we have an ascending triangle pattern, which is a bullish pattern, so chances of a breakout is very high. But stay in touch with the news as well. On Friday, market made a high of 3446. Yes, 3446 was the high made by the market on Friday. So buying above 3446 is also good. Okay, but if you're looking for a clean road, okay, then you can buy above 3450. Okay, so if market goes up, then we can look for a buy position. But just make sure that you have volume, because for any breakout, not only in forex market or commodity market, in any market of the world, okay, we love to trade on breakout, okay, but for breakout, proper breakout, volume is extremely important. Okay, if you see the size of the candles like this on Monday, then it's better to wait, because there's a high chance that after 20-30 pips, market will be coming down again. Okay, so look for volume, and obviously, okay, if any news comes out during the weekend, we will see a big candle on Monday at the opening. Okay, let's wait and watch. Time will speak. Okay, but yes, we do have a possibility of a breakout. If market goes up, we can look for a buy. Okay, and and never forget, okay, no level is permanent. Okay, but our capital is limited. So if market comes to our level and market behaves according to expectation, then only take the trade. The goal is to make money, not to take too many trades. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, because you guys work hard. Okay, 30 days, okay, in a month, then you get the salary. So do not blow your account in just seconds. So that's all. And if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker, okay, then you can consider Star Trader, because safety wise Star Trader is top notch, and also the spread is one of the lowest in the industry. Star Trader is regulated by FCA, ASIC, ASCA, FSCA, okay, FSA and FSC. It also provides compensation up to 20,000 euros. And if you're from India, अगर आप India से हो, okay, they provide swap free accounts. If you're from other parts of the world, then you get swap free account for 14 days. The best part is the spread, because spread plays a very critical role. The spread is only 17 on gold, Euro USD 12 to 13, GBP USD 12 to 15, and there is no commission. Okay, so feel free to join Star Trader, okay, because many of you are still using unregulated brokers or paying very high spread to the broker. So feel free to join Star Trader, and you can also become a member of our WhatsApp community, okay, if you join. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.